Hey guys, welcome to my channel KJ4x4 Couple. Today I will show you how to remove the Swaybar from a Colorado 2015 and up. Some of the tools you will need are a 13mm socket, a 15mm socket, a ratchet, an extension, and two wrenches, a 13mm wrench and a 15mm wrench to get the Swaybar links out. Here, I remove my skid plate using the 15mm socket. There's 4 bolts located on the undercarriage to remove the skid plate. Here is where we remove the Swaybar link. First, you need a 13mm wrench to hold the nut on top, and then you will need a 15mm socket to remove the bolt. Here, you will repeat the same steps as you previously did on the passenger side to get the Swaybar out. Once you guys are done, these are the 3 pieces that need to be out of the truck. As you can see here, the suspension starts to articulate, but due to the fact that the king shocks are so stiff, I didn't like the comfort that I felt while off-roading going up and down bumps. Therefore, I decided to go back to putting the Swaybar on for more comfortability while driving. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos of installations and DIYs. Thanks for watching. Till next time.